Welcome to the IHIF Asia networking and event platform. Let's get your sponsor profile set up. Log in to the desktop version of the app using the same email address you provided during registration. If you are not attending but will be managing your company's app profile, contact our marketing team and we will add you as an admin. Once logged in, click My Team in the top right corner from the homepage. This area allows your team to collaborate, manage leads, respond to messages, and update your company profile. From the company profile page, you can edit your company information and upload branding assets. Update your cover photo, company logo, and key profile fields. The cover image should be 1476 by 634 pixels. The company logo should be 1000 by 1000 pixels. Click Save after making any updates to your header image and company logo. It's important to update your company logo and headline, as these display as your company preview throughout the app and will be viewed by all attendees. Click Update Profile as you make changes to save your edits. You can embed videos to your company profile from YouTube. To embed a YouTube video, open your video in YouTube and click Share, then select Embed. In the embed code, copy the URL from the src equals attribute as shown on screen. Paste the copied URL into the embedded video URL profile field. Please make sure your videos are set to public or unlisted on YouTube. Private videos will not appear on your profile. Check your company profile on the front end of the app to make sure your video is displaying correctly as shown on screen. Once you've completed these steps, your company profile is all set. If you need any help setting up your company profile or have any questions on using the app, please contact our marketing team for support.